Happy Sunday, everybody. It is a beautiful day. It's a little bit breezy, but it's warmer and the sun is out, so I'm happy. We are at 985 King Way in Briningsville. This is a beautiful 2015 built 3-bedroom, 3 full and 1 half bath home available for rent starting June 1st. So let me flip this around and show you around a little bit. First of all, so it's in the Highgate community in Briningsville, and it's a well-designed community. There is a play area in the community, as well as nice overflow parking. I'm actually parked over there, but each driveway can actually accommodate about 3 cars. You've got this side area here, and then the main driveway comes right up to the 1-car garage. So come on in. I'll give you a quick peek, but if you want to see more or know more, give me a call. So 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. There is carpet right here when you come into the living room. So this could be a flex space. You could make this a play space for kids. You could make it a formal living room, whatever you'd like it to be, but it's very nicely lit up here. I actually didn't turn the lights on yet, and there's so much natural light. It's wonderful. Very open floor plan. You have granite countertops. A beautiful backsplash, 42-inch upper cabinets, stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, 5-burner, a nice undermount sink, very large sink here, dishwasher, refrigerator, and washer and dryer are included in the rent. Hardwood floors in through the kitchen and this dining area here. It does have sliders out to the backyard. It is just some steps, so you can go outside and play out here. Not a big patio or anything like that. So, but look at this, how nice and open. And then you have the family room back here, big space. And I will show you the downstairs quick. It is finished, so the basement is finished. So if you need 3 bedrooms plus an office space, or if you need space to work out, whatever you might need, it's got the space for it down here. It does have the emergency egress. Nice big space. Pardon the boxes. The current tenants are getting ready to move out. And then the 3rd full bathroom, because most of these homes are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. But this one that has a full bath downstairs. Isn't that nice? So if you want to leave home, come downstairs, go to work, or do your workout and then go to work, you've got a full bath down here. You can actually work from here very nicely. And then there is still storage space as well over here. Some unfinished storage space. Okay, so that's a quick peek. If you want more information about this house, or you have any real estate questions in general, I'd be happy to answer them. My number is 484-619-2340. Give me a call. Again, this is 985 King Way. It's in Briningsville. Open house here until 2 o'clock today, Sunday. If that doesn't work for you and you want to set up a special time, again, reach out to me, 484-619-2340. Have an awesome Sunday.